MBOT Stock Monday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. So Microbot medical stock blew up 87% on freaking Friday. It's absolutely crazy. And all I saw was, so I had like a kind of dilemma whether like it was going to be a bullish or bearish trend, and I was like, right, it will really depend what, like, whatever the price breaks first, it's either going to be the highs here or the lows, and we completely just obliterated the highs, which obviously doesn't necessarily mean that it's like all that, because we've seen multiple candles like this before. So I must see a full candle close, I'm talking weekly chart, above 223, and that's how ultimately like how hard this thing can actually go. So I'm not closing myself neither to these bullish buys though, like the bullish range is coming down from here, so I'm not gonna assume I'm gonna react, and even if I see like a proper double break lower time frame here, then only then I will take things up. But other than that, I'll keep you updated. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.